Okay, today we're going to do a review and unboxing the Pearce grip for the Colt government model, aka 1911. Okay, this grip can be used pretty much any variant or equivalent of the 1911s, or install this on our 1911 today and see if we like it. First thing we're going to do, we're going to set the new grip aside. We're going to make sure our firearm is safe. Okay, got some nice ball ammo in there. All right, and we are going to cycle the handgun, make sure it's clear, and we will drop the hammer. Okay. All right. For this project, we're going to be using our handy dandy Chapman gun screwdriver kit. Okay, love this kit. Love taking this kit out. It means there's something fun gonna happen. I think we're gonna go with number 17 in the screw head size. Okay, we'll put that in, and we are going to remove a grip from the packaging. You might notice here that this grip is made with pride in USA. Okay, so can't say that about a lot of products, but at least with Pearce grip, this particular item is made in USA, so that's really, really good to know. Okay, I like this because right on the side it says here, note, this product requires the use of side panel grips for proper installation. Use with one of the following, and then it gives you a list here. A Pearce grip model PG 1911-2, factory original, and also most aftermarket. Pretty cool. Okay. On the other side it says Pearce Grip Inc. with their 800 number, the model, and then it says here fits Colt 1911 and equivalents. All right, so basically this is more or less just a finger, I'll call it the finger groove enhancement. Okay, the side panels here are basically just a veneer that lay underneath the side panels. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just install this over where the grips would go. We'll do one side first, one side at a time. Looks good. Like the way that feels. It's got a great look to it, but more importantly, it's got a great feel. Very, very good feel. Very, very good feel. It's an extended mag, so it's hanging out the bottom a little bit. But this has got a very, very, very good feel. Really fits my hand perfectly. Really, really liking that. And I like the fact that it's just a very, very simple installation. Alright, well there you have it. Got your installation of your Pearce grip with the finger grooves on your 1911. Very straightforward, really good quality. Super happy with the way it looks. And that's it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.